Trend analysis is a process where I'll be comparing your past performance with the present or future performance. So here if we go to this problem, we'll find determine trend values for 2014 is considered as base year. So that means you have to consider 2014 as the base year. When you have to calculate trend analysis for sales, data, and inventory. I've already prepared a columns required for this problem. We require 9 columns, particulars 2014, 15, 16 and 17. This is the information that is given in the question. All this information, this is the solution part. So for the solution part, trend percentage base year 2014, it is 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. Okay, so when it says base year as 2014, we have to consider 2014 as base year and the trend percentage will be 100. So I'll be just putting 100 for all the 3 years. For the base year it is always 100 the percentage. Now we have to calculate trend percentage for these 3 years, 2015, 16 and 17. The formula for the calculation of trend analysis, it is current year amount divided by base year amount into 100. We'll go to 2015 to do the calculation. If you see 2015 for sales, the amount it is 42,800. So it is 42,800 divided by your base year 2014, the amount it is 40,000. 40,000 into 100, you get an answer of 107. Similarly, if you go for 2016, your current year amount it is 46,000. 46,000 divided by base year amount it is 40,000 into 100 is equal to, you get 115 as the percentage. So next it is we have to move to 2017. For 2017, your sales amount it is 55,000. 55,000 divided by your base year amount 2014 it is 40,000 into 100, you get a percentage of 137.5. So this is for sales. So it is nothing but your current year amount for 2017. Current year amount it is 2017. For 2017 the current year amount it is 55,000. Base year it is 40,000 into 100, you get 137%. Similarly we'll do it for datas. Already for 2014 we have put it as 100%. Now we have to go to 2015. For 2015 it is 9,800 divided by 10,000 into 100. So it comes to 98%. Next 2016, 9,600 divided by 10,000 into 100, you get a percentage of 96. Next for 2017 it is 12,000 divided by 10,000 into 100 is equal to, you get a percentage of 120. Next for inventory, the last one, inventory it is, we have for 2015 it is 6,100 divided by 6,000 into 100, you get a percentage of 101.67. I have just rounded off here, you get 66 unlimited. So I have just it is an infinite number, I have just rounded off. Okay, next it is for 2016, 6,500 divided by 6,000 into 100, you get a percentage of 108.33. Next for the last one, that is 2017, 12,000 divided by 6,000 into 100, you get a percentage of 200. So that's the end of trend analysis for this problem. Thank you.